guys, welcome to our Medcart CMMS system tutorial. My name is Dan. I am here to train you how to use our system. So first, as you can see here, we are already here in the login page. So we can see the user where we will put the username and the password. So take note, we have different user. So for today, we will just use the admin. So we will use admin and we will enter the password. As you can see here, it will greet you also here, message and welcome admin. Okay, so we will sign in. Okay, we are already inside in our system. As you can see here, we have our dashboards. We have the total inventory item. We have the vendors, the users, the new requests, pending requests, request completed, new item requested, pending item request, approved new item, and the total RFQ. So this is our dashboards. And at the left side, you can see here the menus. We have the dashboard, inventory list, item categories, clinics, the deleting items, the vendors, the single request, multiple requests, clinic balance, patient cost, change password, and also the exit button. So this is our first tutorial. In our next video, I will teach you how to use all of the things here.